Okay, so now here is the next question. This is also a match the following question that we need to match the answers. Okay, so match the environment representing the physical geological process in group 1 with the corresponding geomorphic landform or feature in group 2. So this is a question from geomorphology session. We need to represent the geologic feature or the geomorphologic landform with the process. Here is the process given. Here is the forms or the landforms given. So we need to match that. This is also a very direct question. As we know, yes, various aeolian, glacial, fluvial and coastal processes and what all other forms will be formed. As it is very common and very direct question from geomorphology section. So aeolian forms, that is first is Yadeng, that we know. Then glacial, glacial is very common. Ramlins, ramlins are formed by glacial. Then fluvial, fluvial it is natural levels. And finally coastal, coastals it is tombolos. Okay, so it will be 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 4, 1. Yes, it is 3, 1, 4, 2. This option C will be the answer. 3, 1, 4, 2. This is very direct question from geomorphology. Aeolians are formed under aeolian process. Yadeng will be formed. Glacial, drumlins will be formed. Then fluvial, it is natural rivers. And this is coastal, of course, it is tombolos. So it is a very direct question. Okay. So the next question, it is 29. This is also a match the following question. We need to match group 1 and group 2. Now here it is given various process that results in the formation of various deposits. So we need to identify what deposit it is formed under what formation. So this is also a very direct question we need to answer. Yes, that is chalcocite. First option is chalcocite. That it is, of course, we know chalcocite is formed by supergene enrichment. So this will serve the answer for chalcocite. Next is bauxite. As we know, bauxite will be formed as a residual process. It is a residual deposit, so it is a residual process is under the formation of bauxite. Then next is monazite, placers. So monazite placer deposits are formed under mechanical accumulation. As we know, placers are formed due to the mechanical process. So monazite placers are formed as a result of mechanical accumulation. And finally, chromite, it is by magmatic crystallization. This also is a direct question. So it doesn't require any furthermore explanations. Okay. So supergene enrichment, mechanical accumulation, magmatic crystallization and residual process. All these are the examples of various processes. Okay. So the answer will be 1, 4. Yes, here is 1, 4, 2 and 3. So option A is the right answer for this question. Okay. Yes, so to the next question. Yeah, it is the final question of section A, that is question number 30. Yeah, here you can see which one of the following statement is false. We need to identify which is false. And yes, this question is from hydrogeology. Yes, it is hydro question. Okay, this is hydrogeology question. Yes, and of course, we need to identify which is the wrong statement among this. So this is related to water table or groundwater. So I just added the image for the groundwater. Here you can see the water table, undersaturated zone, pursued water table and aquifer zone. Okay. So we need to identify which statement is wrong among this. Okay. Yes, looking on the figure on the basic profile of groundwater. First option, let's see. Pursued water table exists within the zone of aeration. Pursued water table exists within the zone of aeration. Yeah, here you can see the pursued water table and saturated zone and aquifer. As we know, here the water table, it is dividing into two. That is, first is the zone of aeration. First is the zone of aeration. Here is the zone of aeration. And here it is the zone where we find the aquifer is the zone of saturation. It is the saturated zone. Here you can see it is the saturation. Yes, here is the zone of saturation, here is the zone of aeration. So, pursued water table is present in the zone of aeration. So, the statement first is correct because pursued water table exists within the zone of aeration. That is very correct. Now, option second or B option is that juvenile water is derived from sediment diagenesis. Juvenile water is derived from sediment diagenesis. How can be this? This is actually the wrong statement. Why? Because juvenile water is the water which is formed from magmatic fluids. It is not from sediment diagenesis. It is from magmatic fluids. It is formed from magma. Magma or magmatic fluids. Okay, it is formed as a result of magmatic fluids. It is formed in magmatic fluids. So this is the wrong statement. And next is zone of aeration lies above the zone of saturation. As we know, zone of saturation is present at the bottom. So top portion is zone of aeration. So it is present above the zone of saturation. This is also a correct statement. Both aciclude and acifuge are impermeable. That is also given here. That is also the right option. So option B is the answer. That is, juvenile water is derived from magma or it is derived from sediment diagenesis. That is wrong. Whereas juvenile water is derived from magma or magmatic fluids. Okay. Yes.